Now, here's one of the best definitions of what entitlement is. Where you are right now compared to where you want to be. If you want to do something about it, then that's ambition. Now, compared to where you at right now and where you want to be, if you think that's somebody else's problem, that's entitlement. Now, what do I mean by that? Gusto mo tumaas sweldo mo. Ngayon, naisip mo na kailangang itaas ng gobyerno yung sweldo ko. Really? Kailangang ibang tao or ibang grupo or ibang entity yung gumawa nung gusto mong mangyari? Well then, that's entitlement. Kasi unang-una, kung deserve mo talaga ng malaking sahod, yung malaking sahod yung lalapit sa'yo. Pero, if you don't want to do something about it, then, you're just going to run, magsisigaw ka sa kalsada, magrarally ka doon, to ask or force them to give kung ano yung gusto mo. People nowadays are very entitled for other people to give them what they want. And thus, instead of working for what they want, they just demand yung mga bagay na gusto nila. Magandang buhay, magandang sweldo, magandang trabaho, maginhawang buhay. Lahat na lang hiniling nila na ibang tao yung gumawa or magtrabaho para sa kanila. Tapos, pag pinoint out mo na sila mismo yung dapat gumawa nun para sa sarili nila, they suddenly bring out the victim card. Kesyo mahirap, kesyo walang oras, kesyo walang resources, so on and so forth. Lahat na ng dahilan ibubuhos nila para hindi sila gumawa or kumilos towards doon sa gusto nilang goal. Yes, mahirap siya. It will bring you many failures. But failure is not an opposite of success. It is part of success unless pakinggan mo kung ano yung sinasabi ng failure mo at ano yung mga dapat hindi mong maulit, then you are bound to commit the same mistakes and you will be trapped on an endless loop, blaming others, blaming the system, blaming your luck, instead of acknowledging na ikaw mismo yung gumawa ng action na yon. And unless nabaguhin mo yung action na yon, you are not going to go any closer towards your goal. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.